Nope. Okay, Katie's having a slumber party tonight, and I brought Albert over to the railroad tracks at St. Mary's College, and we're gonna walk on the tracks. And he brought a hammer. Show him the hammer. We're gonna pound on the tracks a little bit. Look for treasures. We're gonna walk down that way.
Go, Dad.
Okay. I'm gonna walk on the.
No, walk on this side. What are these tracks do they use? Sometimes they're used.
No, they're not used anymore.
So why?
They just don't use the railroad anymore here. That's why there's so much weeds in between them.
So they don't use them anymore?
Nope. Well, we haven't really found anything yet. We're coming straight up here. We're not quite sure if the tracks keep going or not. But that is pretty right there. The trees are just starting to change.
Why is that those bushes make off the track?
Well, they aren't cutting them back or anything. Okay, here we are on the path. The tracks are beside us, but they're all covered up with grass. So he's back there. And this is where we're going.
Hello, Dad.
Oh, we found something. Old railroad plate. Right there.
What is that?
It's, well, it went underneath the railroad tie. Let's want to keep going?
Yeah. Let's go walking. I'm gonna go potty.
You gotta go potty?
Yeah. I'm going to change truck.
Yeah, we'll have to go down here.
Okay.
Come on.
Daddy.
Hmm?
Is that a bus?
Yeah.
What kind is it?
What kind of it is it?
Yeah. What is it called?
A Holy Cross bus.
Oh. Is that a school bus?
No, it's kind of like a school bus for older people.
Like Katie?
No, like people like granddad's age. Or great-granddad's age. Alright, we're done. We're heading back to the truck. And Albert is too tired to walk the rest of the way. So I'm going to. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.